a lot of designers are confused on how AI could be implemented in their workplace. Uh, Partly because they don't understand what it can do, how it could be used, but that also creates a lot of animosity because it's a tool they don't understand. AI, of course, has just sprung on us in the last 6 months. It's growing faster than we can embrace it, and keeping up with the developments itself is a challenge. But what designers have to understand is AI is just another tool. The AI is developing out of a collective usage. I mean, it learns, the more people use it.
I talk about my domain, which is the psychology domain, and human behavior के ऊपर हम काम कर रहे हैं. तो AI, it's a supportive element on some aspects. In some cases, it's also not so good. क्योंकि अगर completely dependent हो जाएंगे तो human behavior को research मतलब उसको observe करने का जो एक mindset है, वो I think हमारे डोमेन में तो हमें ह्यूमन के ऊपर ही ज्यादा फोकस करना होगा.
No doubt, AI is a revolution in this world, and but at the same time, AI has got a lot many risks also, because especially when I see the Gen Z, the over dependence. No doubt, the growth and the new technologies are always welcome. So if it is used in the right way and right perspective, it is a great thing. Otherwise, it's a big challenge. It has got challenge also. So some restrictions should be there.
So I'm Dr. Kshitij Verma. I'm also an advocate in Rajasthan High Court currently. Now, in particular, if here we are talking about use of AI, for example, in universities, I believe it has to be done very responsibly, because in the end, we cannot afford to make mistakes when we are teaching our next generations. We don't have to fall for what the big techs and the rest of the companies are selling to us as their products. I think that is what we have to be very careful about. That's it.
I'm so, fortunate that I have seen this transition from the traditional methods to the AI mode. And here we are taking the complete leverage of AI in enhancing our productivity, taking our research, our education to the next level. But this Gen Z generation, they are completely become the slave of this AI because they have seen only the one perspective of it. And somehow they are losing their originality, creativity, and they are over dependent on AI. And this will eventually lose their confidence, which is the path of innovation. So what we want to be the slave of AI, or we want to use it as a productive tool. The call is ours.
Artificial intelligence is emerging in businesses, and actually there are a lot of applications which firms are using to enhance their customer experience. For example, now companies are figuring out consumer research using big data analytics. So AI tools are used in understanding large consumer data. Apart from big data analytics, there are a lot of different applications like chatbots, voice bots, augmented reality, virtual reality, mixed reality, service robots, drones that actually take place in the real world scenario and enhances business practices, enhances customer experience.
Design, we learn how to think and how to use the design process well. When if a student, or anybody will completely solely dependent on AI, that it can be harmful. But if it's as a tool, it can be used, and it can be a good tool to come up with a different aspect of the work which they can use on. And right now AI is also evolving so much, and there is a lot of amazing AI tools are coming into the market. But I feel that in future as well, before any tools like designing any AI tool as well, designer also will give their input there as well.
AI is useful. AI can provide us multiple options or suggestions, but it's up to you that what we can choose and what is better for us. So I can conclude with that AI can be our supportive tool, but not a substitute for an individual thinking.
The rise of AI over the last few years has been significant in various domains. But personally for me, I believe that AI is not a job taker, but an enhancer of opportunities in jobs. So I believe that if used ethically and responsibly, AI can increase our productivity and the knowledge, the things which were taking very long over the last few years, AI would be a significant tool to improvise and do everything very quickly. So overall, I believe that AI is a very useful tool, but it should be used ethically and responsibly.